Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love reading for April 2024. So this is for in a relationship tsaka sa mga single. Okay? So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ng ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private reading, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 20, 2024. So, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment para makapag-book kayo for a reading. Okay, so let's see, Scorpio, what's up? Unahin natin yung mga in a relationship. In a relationship na Scorpio, anong parating sa kanila ngayong April 2024 for Scorpio. Kaloka naman o separation. Bakit? Okay. Maaring merong sinusubukang ayusin na relationship pero yung isa ayaw na. Oo, bakit? Ayaw na niya. Meron ditong isa na trying to compromise, merong mga inaayos sa relationship, pero yung isa wala parang sinasabotahe niya mismo yung relationship na hindi na maayos. Yung iba rito hindi nag-uusap, yung isa gusto makipag-usap, yung isa ayaw, sina-silent treatment. Meron din ditong nag-abandon na ng person. Yung tipong hindi na mahagilap. Pwedeng long distance itong relationship ninyo. Okay. Long distance, pwedeng malayo kayo sa isa't isa, pwedeng foreigner yung ka-deal ninyo. I feel like someone is really, meron ditong gusto talagang ayusin yung relationship. Really doing things to make things happen. Naniniwala siya na sila ay meant for each other. You may be dealing with a Gemini. May transformation. Meron matigas ang ulo sa inyo. Oo. I feel like the other person is mas gusto niya na siya yung in control sa buhay niya. And the other person maaring siya yung controlling. Kaya parang nagkakaroon ng conflict sa relationship na to. Although meron ditong twin flame tsaka destiny. So, possible na yung isa alam niya na meant to be siya dito sa person na to. Yung isa naman, hindi, no? So, kumbaga, maaring merong conflict sa alignment ninyong dalawa. Hindi kayo pareho nagtatagpo, no? Sa, kumbaga, you don't see eye to eye. Maaring the other person is focused on sa kanyang mga pangarap sa buhay, sa kanyang ambisyon, kaya mas nabibigyan niya ng attention yung career niya, yung sarili niya, kaysa sa relationship. And the other person is of course, gusto niya na meron ding oras at panahon sa kanya na bigyan ng pagkakataon na i-work out yung relationship. Kaya lang with the Pluto energy rito, meron talagang forces around this relationship na may possibility ang endings or separation, no? Let's see your overall energy. Scorpio. 3 of Wands. O, diba? 3 of Swords. Judgment. Mahirap kasi yan kung unrequited yung effort, yung love sa relationship. Isa lang yung mas nagmamahal kaysa dun sa isa. Yung iba sa inyo kasi is isa sa ano rin, main concern is yung distance ninyo. Pwedeng malayo kayo sa isa't isa, kapag kailangan ng isa yung presensya ng isa wala, hindi siya available. Kaya doon nag-ugat, no? Meron ditong in pain. Pwedeng sila silent treatment, hindi pinapansin. With the judgment card, anytime soon, you will realize what is best for you, Scorpio. May rebirth dito. It's only a matter of time. So, naghihintay lang yan ng tamang timing para sa'yo na maintindihan mo yung situation. Kasi maaring kailangan mo nang i-let go itong person na to. Kasi pareho kayong in pain. So, siya in pain kasi gusto niyang lumaya. Ikaw naman in pain kasi gusto mong i-keep yung relationship. What is the challenge in this connection? Eight of Swords, o, diba? Limitation. Yun nga, may pangarap, no? Meron ditong pangarap ang isa sa inyo. Or pareho kayo, may kanya-kanya kayong pangarap na hindi in alignment sa gusto ninyo. Diba? Or sa gusto ng isa't isa. Pareho yung nililimit yung isa't isa. So, maaaring ikaw nililimit mo yung potential ng person mo at siya nililimit niya rin yung potential mo. So, kind of toxic yung energy na to. What is the energy of your person? Seven of Wands. Nako. Alam mo, itong person mo is very independent. Kumbaga, kung ayaw niya, wala kang magagawa. Parang ganon. Okay? So, this can be, you may be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. So, sa kanya, pwedeng i-work out yung relationship, pero hindi siya kailangang kontrolin. So, how about your energy? So emotional. Oo. Iniisip mo kasi yung pinagdaanan ninyo in the past. Pwedeng matagal na yung relationship ninyo. With the Six of Swords, I feel like gusto mong ayusin, mag-move on, mag-move forward sa kung ano man yung naging problema ninyo. But it seems na merong imbalance dito sa energy mo. Pwedeng you are parang masyadong needy, masyadong nag-e-expect ng maraming bagay sa connection, sa relationship ninyo. Where is this relationship going? Oh my God, may losses. Someone is going to be free herself or himself in this relationship. Pareho kayo masasaktan dito. Meron kasing kailangan talagang mag-let go. But of course, there is always an opportunity kapag merong endings, which is a new beginning, diba? So, that is for in a relationship. Now, let's go naman sa mga single. Tingnan natin kung anong meron for you. Singles na Scorpio. Scorpio singles for April 2024 love life. Meron bang parating? Aha. Meron. Maaring meron ka ng nakakausap ngayon, wala lang commitment, no? Pero possible na mauwi sa commitment itong relationship na to. Someone is going to express their love para sa'yo. Or someone is thinking about you all the time. Can be a person na pwedeng feminine energy, darker hair, very intense, long distance relationship o dating. LDR, kaya kayo ay madalas na may phone calls or video calls. Pero mukhang seryoso to, ha. This can be a serious relationship. Dating, passion, may opportunity talaga for you. Can be a Cancerian energy, no? Oo. Pwede ring Leo, pwede ring Aquarius. But I feel like, mas magiging open ka sa relationships, connections ngayon. Pwedeng mauwi to sa, seryosong relationship na ikaw mismo mabibigla na, uy, ganon. Seven of Swords, Ace of Cups. Pero merong trust issues dito. Pwedeng energy from the past. Maaring merong maka-apekto sa connection na to. Energy from the past person, nung person mo that you are connecting with, or yung person sa side mo. Parang may naghahabol. Oo. Pwedeng sa side niya or sa side mo. But may opportunity tong relationship na to na mag-evolve into something serious. Okay? So this is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.